Welcome, guys. How is everyone doing? Welcome back so much. Today I am lash free. How do I look? I don't have eyelashes on me. So, guys, today we're going to be doing vlog and style at the same time. Vlog and style at the same time. So, guys, if you're not already subscribed, please, do you want me to cry for you? Subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now, before I show you what I brought from the store, I want to take you along to shopping. It's going to be like maybe a minute or two shopping so that we can go see the mall, one of the highest end mall in Toronto. So I went shopping and I can't wait. I'm so excited to share with you guys things that I got. So let's get over to that store. So guys, welcome. Come with me to the smartest way to shop. I love doing my shopping towards the end of the season because this is really when you get all your deals and your bargain. When summer is winding down, you gotta shop for your next summer, or you can still bring your summer clothing into falls or any time of the year. Who says you cannot wear whatever you like at any time of the year? So really, once I get into the mall, the first store I like to hit is Zara. I love shopping from Zara. I love shopping from H&M. Behold, you guys can see anyways that the mall is empty. Empty, empty, empty. Even though I went shopping on the weekend, you expect the mall to be like overcrowded, even though that we're still in the time of pandemics. Like people are tired of staying in the house, they want to get out, but the mall is still not that busy. So, anyways, I love the fact that it's not that busy so that people are not right on your face. So, the first place I zoomed in was Zara. What I saw in the Zara, the shoes, the ankle boots from the 70s, laced up with triangle boots. These things are in, they're back. So they have lots of blazers, cream color, off white. Those colors are in for the falls. A lot of brown are in for the falls. This is leather dress. I'm not really into wearing leather dress. They have, like I said, shirt dresses. Those are silk and they're all off white. Oh my God, I was just talking to a girlfriend the other day and she told me, she reminded me, Katia, remember that after American Thanksgiving, the people should not be wearing white. Who says you cannot wear white? White, who made the rules? You can always break the rules. You can make your own rules. The white shoes, the off color shoes, the brown, the tan, the black, everything is in the store. So, so back in the Zara, things, look at that, white runners, right, white Converse, white dresses, cream color dresses, everything is still out there in the mall. But you know what? The things that Zara have this season, um, I'm not. It's no wow. It doesn't wow me. You know what I mean? Like you come into the store, you say, "Oh my God! Oh wow! I love this." The things there are like all freestyle. They're all freestyle. They're all like loose. The 70s fashions are coming back. So guys, hold on into onto any of your old clothes you have as long as you save them well. Don't even throw them away or discard them because fashion goes and revolves and comes back again. So a lot of tan, a lot of brand, so many things. But like I said, it really didn't cut my eyes. I finally bought what I want from H&M, but let me just take you guys a little bit to share with you that yellow is also one of the colors that are in for this season. So yellow, black, white, off-white, all these colors are in, and linen doesn't even go out of style or out of season. So don't even bother. Somebody make the rules, break it, and just do you. Do something that makes you wow. Combine any colors that you want. I don't like the things that I see in Zara, even though that I bought one thing which I will share with you guys in the video. So let's go now. A lot of talking, lots and lots of talking to share with you guys what I bought. So one of the most amazing stuff I picked up from H&M is this amazing silk. It's silk, yeah. So this is silk shirt dress. Silk shirt dress, guys. I have been shopping and looking around. I don't know the last time you watched my vlog where I was in the mall looking for a shirt dress. So I really love this. It's very soft, it's long sleeve. Let me go ahead and put it on. You be the judge. I picked up 4 outfits. So let's start with this one. I am in love. So let's see what it looks like. Yes. So this is what it looks like. Let's style this up. I want to dress this up with a chunky oversized belt. So let's go ahead and put the belt on. It is big, it has lots of room, and then you know what I mean, you can always get air going down there. Let's look at the shoes. Okay, what shoes shall I pick? I think I can do blue. You can always wear it with any color, but blue and red always go together, or blue and purple. Let's finish it up. Oh, I cannot complete a style without sunglasses. And yes, let's throw in this amazing Hermes bag. Finish it up with this Hermes bag. So we're gonna walk the runway. From H&M, the price for this is $34.99. That's about 37. Let's just say $40 with taxes. Yes, it's not on sales though, but it's one of the new falls collection. Almost the same as the first one, but I love this because it's linen. Wait until I put this on, and then I'm gonna share the price with you people. So let's go ahead and put this on. You can't. I love this sleeve. Look at the sleeve. I love this sleeve. This one comes with its own belt, so it has a belt on its own. I love it. White, and I love the pocket on the 2 sides. Which shoe? Let's find a shoe to wear. So let's style this with this Christian Louboutin. Yes, and I also love to style it with this amazing LV bag. And you know for sure that Katia Bellino is not done without her sunglasses. So let's go ahead and find amazing sunglasses to go with this look. I feel like Catwoman. So we're gonna do the Catwoman Dolce & Gabbana, and this look is to die for. I will share the price of this amazing outfit with you guys. Oh my gosh, In my next life, I will still be a girl. In my next world, I will still be a woman. Woman. Yes. Let's move on to the number 3 outfit. Don't go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. I will tell you who designed this outfit, even though they're selling it at even though I bought it from H&M, is designed by someone else. So don't go anywhere, otherwise you're gonna miss the designer that designed this outfit. So this outfit here is designed by Joanne Ortiz. Joanne or Joanna Ortiz. Yeah, I remember that years ago, a couple of years ago, Madonna used to design, or H&M used to sell clothes designed by Madonna. So once in a while you run into some amazing things into H&M. So $70 for this is not bad. I love it. I love it. It's another long dress shirt. So I still have things in this bag. Let's go ahead and see the next purchase. Yes, the next purchase is this. I'm not sure if this is really me, but guys, help me decide if you like this outfit or if you don't, because I'm still skeptical about this, but I purchased this because of the price. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and I will share the price with you guys. So this is really fitted, but it's above the knees. I don't know, how do you guys feel about this outfit on me? Let me go ahead and put a shoe on. Because it has so much flowers, I need something to tone it down. Hold on. I think we're going to do this amazing. I love the heels. I think I've worn this shoe only one time since I purchased this a few years ago. So let's go ahead and rock this. I say, do you guys like it? Are you crazy about this? I'm not really crazy about this, but if you are and if you think that it looks good on me, please let me know. Let me pick up a nice black clutch. So I want to finish it up with these oversized Christian Dior sunglasses. I love it. It's one of the old sunglasses. The style doesn't go away, and I have this amazing clutch to go with it. What do you guys think? Is it good? I'm waiting to hear from you. If you tell me to keep it, I will keep it. Let me so let me know, yes, up or down. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Why do you like it and why do you not like it? I am waiting so anxiously on reading you guys' comment, especially about this particular outfit. So let me know what you guys think. Keep or return. One more to go. Don't go anywhere. One more to go. I'm going to share the price of this outfit for you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you the price right now. That's why I picked it up. The price for this is only $20. I think it's 50 something dollars, and I paid $20 for this. I'm not really fussy about outfits. I can rock an outfit of $5 and style it very well, but don't play with me when it comes to shoe and bag. I can go and break the bank for shoes and bags, but for outfit, yes, any amount can go for the outfit, but for shoes, very particular about how much I spend. Very particular about how much I spend on shoe and bag, but for outfit, not really that important to me. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Yes, no, say it now. Oh, this has to come in the middle. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Let's talk about this. A few years years ago or 3 years ago, this style came and went in so many runways, Instagram, everywhere. I think that it's coming back again. Let me share with you how I am going to rock this. Rock this. Yes. So let's look at this. Look at this. So I have an animal print top. Animal print never goes out of the season. I see a lot of this animal prints in all the stores. By the way, this is from Zara. This is the only thing I was able to pick up from Zara. Things that they have for these falls, I'm not crazy about that. It's mostly black, brown, but you know what? You can never go wrong with black. So I picked this up and I want to make this more colorful by, first of all, making it colorful. I'm going to use a yellow scarf. Hey, if you don't watch my video, my two previous videos about 14 ways to tie hair scarf, please go back and watch that video. I will link it in the first comment section so that you can go ahead and watch that video. So I want to throw this on just to add extra taste to this. I still want to leave one button down here, show a little bit of cleavage, finish this up with yellow sunnies and yellow. Yes, you can never go wrong when it comes to adding colors to your outfit. So I also paired it up. Now you have an option. You can still wear your black shoes. If the option you have is to wear the black palm or to wear yellow. I am wearing yellow because I want to enhance this black and white, this black and white look. So let's look at my shoes. The price for this is $35.99. $35.99. So guys, let me know what you guys think about the direction of this channel. A lot of you guys are leaving me comments and you seem to like all the fashion and style and vlog and things that has to go with it. Leave me your thoughts and your comments. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Please help me get to 300,000 subscribers by sharing the video. Share, clicking the like, leaving me thoughts and comments, and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. If you don't turn on the notification bell, how can I know? How can you know when I put a video up? And if you don't leave me a comment, how can I know that you showed up in my house? So if you show up in my house, let me know that you visited me. Thank you guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you for your time, for coming back here to watch Katia Volino. And if you're learning something here, leave me what you learned from this channel, from my skincare to travel vlogs to fashion to weight loss to everything that comes with it. Let me know what you learned and let me know the next video that you want to see. Thank you guys. Bye.